So hello to all my viewers and all my dear students. I am Akash Roy and I am welcoming you to my channel Akash Time Education once again. So dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss over India's of the top 10 institutions, 10 NIT colleges which give you the chance in their colleges with up to 9 lakh JEE main rank. So the most of the colleges they have the high cutoff in the last 5 years in the JEE main cutoffs. So I will discuss on over that cutoff. So don't miss that lecture and see the video at till end. So let's get started. So at first we started with our video with the NIT Raipur. NIT Raipur is present at the Chhattisgarh. It is a very beautiful college if you see, and also a good NIT college as per the recognition. If you see its general cutoff, from the home state you can get 1.4 lakh and from the other state it is 41,000. In the case of SC ST, if you see the home state cutoff it is 49,000 and from the other state it is 13,000. And for the case of OBC it is the 16,000 and from the other state it is the 7,000. So it is a high cutoff range if you see. So next move to the next college, which is the NIT Meghalaya. NIT Meghalaya also another NIT college with a beautiful and presentable campus look and with a high cutoff range. If you see its cutoff, you can understand that its general cutoff is in the home state quota it is 2 lakh and from the outside quota our other state it is 42,000. From the SC ST, in the case of the ST SC, you can see the home state is 26,000 and from the other state it is 6,000. For the case of the OBC, it is the 12,000 from home state and the other state it is also 12,000. So it is a good and high cutoff range college from the students who is belonging from the NIT Meghalaya can try for this college, and this is the high cutoff range you can see. In the our next segment we see the NIT UPIA. NIT UPIA it is present at the Arunachal Pradesh. It is a newborn NIT and also a very good at the NIRF ranking position. If you see its general cutoff, you can see a high general cutoff of 3.3 lakh and from the home state and from the other state it is 42,000. In the case of STSC, it is the home state that is 30,000 and from the other state it is 8,000. From the case of OBC, you can see that from the home state quota that is 14,000 is the average cutoff for the last few years. If you see, then go the our next college, it is NIT Manipur. It is a Northeast India's one of the bright institution. You must take admission if you get the chance, because here you can see the cutoff range. You see here the 9 lakh. Here the JEE main cutoff from home state. So the students of Manipur, you have a great chance for the getting that college, because the NIT cutoff, you see the cutoff 9 lakh is the high range cutoff, and from the other state it is 41,000. For the case of the STSC, it is 41,000 and from the other state it is 7,000. Case of OBC, the from home state you see the cutoff is 3 lakhs. So it is a high cutoff from the general, and both for general and OBC. If we next move to our next college, where we can present you the NIT Jalandhar. About NIT Jalandhar, it is a presentable campus and also a good present in the NIRF ranking. So NIT Jalandhar is a newborn NIT, and also for the cutoff it is a high cutoff range, where you can see the general, the home state quota, the cutoff is for 1.1 lakh. In the case of the outside quota, outside state, it is 41,000. In the case of the SC ST, you can see the 12,000 and for the OBC it is 1 lakh. So it's the high cutoff range again for the general and OBC students. So it is a chance for you to get admit in this college, because this is a good college for you. In the next is the NIT Mizoram. NIT Mizoram is also a Northeast India's one of the good NIT colleges. So here is the general cutoff. The general cutoff trend for the last 5 years, here you can see the for the general students is 9 lakh and for the home state, and from the outside state it is 42,000. For the SC ST it is 13,000. For the OBC it is 7,400. So it is again 9 lakh college which you can choose for your higher studies. Okay, so next we move to our next college with the most beautiful campus in India, which is the NIT Srinagar. If you see its campus life, it is very much presentable to you, and also here cutoff it is also a very in a high region. If you see the general cutoff, the general 10 is 2.38 lakh almost for the general students. For the SC ST it is 36,000 and for the OBCs it is 3.9 lakh. So again for the general and OBC students you can get a high cutoff range for this college. Okay, so you must choice for this college for your higher studies. In the next meantime, we can take another Northeast India's college, which is NIT Agartala, which is present at Tripura. It is the general cutoff, which is the 4.3 lakh, and from the outside state it is 77,000. For the SC/ST it is 68,000, and from the OBC it is 40,000. This is the cutoff here. In the next, we can take another 9 lakh college and also a beautiful campus, which is NIT Sikkim. NIT Sikkim, you can see that for last 5 years the general trend for the cutoff in the general category student it is 9 lakh, for the SC/ST it is 91,000, and for the OBC home state quota se aapko milega it is from 12,000. So this is the total, the whole colleges I am choosing for you, and the total whole 10 colleges in India which can give you the chance with a low NIT, with a low JEE main rank. So you can choose that colleges. I can prefer you to choose this college. These colleges are good, and if the video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching. And if the video is good for you, then please follow Akastem Education. Please like, share, comment in our video. And another one thing, it is if the video and the whole thing is helpful for you, then must subscribe our channel. So it is a request from me to all of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all.